What's up, folks? This is the Savage Scientist Ed right here, and I got the Razr 2024 and that smooth hinge, and the Razr 2023. As you can probably hear, the screen is a lot more. I'm not gonna say a lot more, but the screen on this phone takes a little more force to get it open and close, while the 2024 it's a lot smoother. And that's probably the main difference in the two devices. They almost look alike, and I know some people said that, oh, Savage, you had the Razr 2023 instead of 2024. And one of the little differences is this part. This line is thin on the 2024, whereas this large hinge, large unfunctional, shitty, garbagey, goddamn hinge. This phone really do deserve the elbow. So this is a piece of shit. And I really like the 2024 edition. And the reason why I'm returning this one is because when I bought it, it didn't come with a SIM card slot. And they have people on eBay selling SIM card slots for $50. And the SIM card slot on the 2023 doesn't fit the 2024. I decided I'm going to return both. I'm going to return this one and try to see if I could get the 2025 edition. So, this is the Savage Scientist Ed here with a quick video. And my S24 is on the way till I make my next video. Peace out.